Hi everyone, my name is Valentine and together with Sheetgo I am going to show you all the cool stuff that you can do with spreadsheets. In this employee timesheet template by Sheetgo, you can easily monitor your employees' timesheets, the hours they've worked, the hours they've come in, went out, and also their lunchtime, of course. And then you have a nice automated dashboard that we created inside this template for you to visually see how your employees are filling their time at work. So here's some extra information in the instructions tab for you to read through how to use the templates and some extra information and tips, but I'm just going to show you in this video, of course. You simply go to the all timesheets reports. And here you start by filling out the date. You see that we provided some sample data here, but you can simply remove this, of course. You start by filling out the date, the time the employee came into work, time they started lunch, ended lunch, and the time they went out. And then the template will automatically calculate, as you see in this array formula, it will automatically calculate the hours worked per employee. The final column is for you to input the name of the employee. So let me just say Charlotte, for example. And then you do this for every day for every employee. So that's how it works. And then you have a dashboard where you visually see you start by choosing the time frame from what day to what day you want to see the average lunchtime per employee, the hours worked per employee, total hours worked per day, average time of arrival per day, and the average time of arrival per employee. So this is a nice visual overview of how your employees are filling their time at work for you to have some control, some management over their hours worked. So this is how you use our standalone template, this spreadsheet. There's no login required for this spreadsheet. I'll put the link in the description for you to make a copy and start using it. But of course, as you see right here, it requires some manual work, this spreadsheet, because you have to manually fill it out yourself per day, per employee that you have, and so on and so on. So at Sheetgo, we of course provided a more collaborative and automated solution for you. You can connect the spreadsheets, separate spreadsheets per employee for them to track their time in and out and their lunchtime, for them to do it individually, and then Sheetgo can send the information automatically inside your dashboard right here. So you don't have to, for example, share this spreadsheet where employees can make mistakes, overwrite other employees' data, and just be one messy pile of information. So if you're interested in this more automated template to make it easier for you to have a clear overview, then please go to the link in the description. I'll put it right there, and we'll make sure to help you set up your system automated and easy for you to track employee time. So if you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these templates to make your life easier. Thank you very much.